Module 1. Getting started. What is a microbit? A microbit is a small piece of hardware, a pocket-sized computer with ports for input and output. You can write programs for the microbit on your computer, then download the program to your microbit. Your microbit will then run your program. MakeCode is a website. When you load this website, you can write new programs, and you can save them and access them again later from the same site. This is the web address. You can copy it from here or Google microbit MakeCode and you will get the link. You can access this website anywhere, so you can write programs in school, at home, on holiday, wherever you want. At the bottom are some tutorials you may want to look at in the future. They will show you how to write some programs. If you keep scrolling on this page, there are lots of different options, such as how to create games, fashion items, and all sorts of other ideas. To start your program, click on New Project. This is the MakeCode page where you can write your programs. On the left of the screen is a virtual microbit. This lets you test your code without having to download it to your microbit. All the code you need is in these menus. You won't use them all to start with, but gradually you will be introduced to each of them. Feel free to play before you get there though. Programming is all about experimenting, making mistakes, and working out what you did wrong. You can name your project at the bottom. It needs to be a sensible name that you can remember in case you end up with hundreds of programs. This is the main area where you put your code. All the code you select, you will drag into this area. When you click on a menu, the code blocks appear. This is called a block programming language because all the structure of the code is provided for you. You just need to drag it into the correct order to do what you want it to, then fill in the details. Click on one of the blocks you want to make it appear on the screen. You can then move it to where you want. Look at the shape of the blocks. They're like a jigsaw puzzle, but there are lots of options as to which block you put next. When you move your block to another, it will connect, and then you can let go of your mouse button to leave it where you put it. To get started, we'll make a program that displays a letter on the microbit, so you can see how to test a program and then download it. Click on the basic menu and drag the block show LEDs. Connect this to the On Start menu. Click on the squares that you want displayed to write your letter. This is the letter E. Once you've done this, look at the virtual microbit so you can make sure it looks like you want it to. I'm giving this program a name, letter E. To test it on the actual microbit, click on Download. Then Save to save the file to your computer. It creates a hex file. This is a specific microbit file that microbits run. Plug in your microbit and a folder will open that is called microbit. If this doesn't happen, ask for help. You can then drag your program to your microbit folder. You can open the folder with your file in and copy it, then paste it to the microbit folder. The file will take a few seconds to copy across, then the folder will disappear from the screen. Look at your microbit now, and it should be displaying your letter.